In this video, we're going to look at how to delete sections of your job in Eurosystem's OptiScout 9. So sometimes you might not want to cut the full job and you just want to cut certain sections of it. To do this, I'm going to make sure I've got everything deselected by pressing on the white space. And then I can select different parts of my job by clicking on the lines. So let's say I didn't want to have that one. I'm just going to click and press delete on my keyboard. And I can click and press delete on all the ones that I don't want. Now we can also do this with registration marks. So let's say we have too many reg marks on this job and actually we don't need that many. So to speed up production, we want to get rid of some. So I can highlight it by drawing a box over it and then I can press delete. Now you'll notice that when I draw a box over something like this, it will only highlight the thing or the item that is actually fully selected. So it's ignored the box going over the magenta squares. So there you go, that's fully selected and I can delete that. It will now not search for those registration marks on your job and it will speed up the camera alignment for you as well. So that's how we delete sections of our job in Eurosystem's OptiScout 9.